This video shows how to replace the battery in a second generation tile. Tile is nice enough to send me a battery for some reason, but they're just standard CR1632. You can just push open the case. There are two little tabs that holds it down right there and there. So just gently try to slide the case open. I find pressing in on those 2 points help. There we go. So to remove the battery, these are the tabs that I was mentioning before. To remove the battery, it'll be great if you have a paper clip. You just slide it in there and it will easily pull the battery out. So grab the new battery, pop it in, and then just slide the cover back in. And we are done. There you go.